Welcome to Leather Honey. This is how to properly restore brown leather furniture using our brown leather and vinyl recoloring balm. When applied properly, the results can be transformational. It's important to note that the product has two connected parts, a twist-off applicator sponge and a pop-off cap. Before we apply, twist off both caps together to remove the foil seal. To apply, you can use the built-in applicator sponge or squeeze the balm directly from the bottle. For easy application over large surface areas, apply balm using our premium horsehair brush. If restoring old, rough leather, gently sand lifted fibers with high grit sandpaper. This may make your leather look scratched at first, but it'll smooth out the leather surface for the recoloring balm on our next step. Before applying the balm, we suggest cleaning with Leather Honey Leather Cleaner. Always spot test in a hidden area and then apply. Allow to dry before moving on. Before using the recoloring balm, spot test in a hidden area to see if the color and finish match your expectations. From there, use the applicator to spread a thin, even layer of balm using light circular motions to ensure full, even coverage. If too much balm was applied, wipe off excess for a thin, even coat before drying. For seams and hard to reach places, we suggest dispersing the balm with a toothbrush to ensure even coverage. For best results, apply thin, even coats. Apply additional even coats as necessary with dry time in between. Our leather and vinyl recoloring balm can be used on items other than furniture such as shoes, handbags, boots, jackets, wallets, belts, and so much more. Allow to dry for at least 2 hours, preferably overnight, and then gently buff with a clean, dry cloth to remove excess and achieve a smooth, even finish. Let fully dry, then lock in color with Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. Follow conditioner instructions accordingly. For a smooth, even finish, buff with a soft cloth or horsehair brush. From there, wipe until excess pigment no longer transfers. When applied in thin, even coats and allowed to dry, our balm will not transfer color. Restoration complete. You can now enjoy your leather without worrying about the next scuff or scratch because you have the tool to fix it in seconds. We love to see your projects come back to life, so drop us a line with your feedback and your before and after shots at info@leatherhoney.com. Leather Honey, trusted by the best since 1968.